How to change your account email on freelancer.com. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can change your account email on freelancer.com. The first step is to visit the freelancer.com website and log in into your account. So once you're logged in, you can see the freelancer logo, you can see other options on your screen, and by the time you scroll down you'll see posts on your dashboard. Then to change your account email, move to the left side of the screen and click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, in the options displayed, select settings. Now on the settings page, the next thing that you have to do is to scroll down until you can see email and notifications. If you cannot see them on the profiles page here, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like profile, email, and notifications. So just go ahead and select it. Now, after selecting email and notification, you'll be brought to the email and notifications page. So currently, the account email I have is this. So to change this, all you need to do is to just erase this and then type out the new email that you would like to use. Alright, so after typing out the new email, you'll be asked to, you'll be asked to enter in your password as well. So just go ahead and enter in your password and then click on update email. And then once you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your email. So check your email and go ahead, and then a box will be slated for you to paste in the verification code. Now currently there's a difficulty in verifying this email, alright, but you can keep on trying until your email is verified. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can verify your email, or this is how you can change your account email, on your freelancer.com account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.